So for the text layer, you can see the alignments are grayed out. To activate them, the trick is first having this selection tool selected, select outside, then press Ctrl A to select the whole canvas. And now we need to go to this layer corner, select the text, and now you can see these alignments are activated. So if I want to align it horizontally, it does it automatically, and if I want to align it vertically, it does it to the center. Well, you can play on with the other settings in here and it will all work. So once you're finished with your selection, if you see, if I move this, it is selecting the whole space, which is not what we want. In order to fix this, press Ctrl D, and now you can just move it freely. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.